What's going on, guys? Just wanted to just talk to you a little bit just before I show the video on what I did. Just want to show you basically what I used. This paper you want to wrap around. You can get this, I got this at our local paint shop. I'm not sure if you can actually get this at, you can probably get it at like Advanced Auto or Pep Boys. Here's the can that I used. Quick tip about this can. The cans usually, they all have different sprays. Like the good ones, they'll have wide sprays and all that. This one sucks. I really don't like this. I used three coats on this. This one has like a really thin spray. So if you're gonna use this can, use something quick just to get a feel for it. This way, how it sprays and how wide, and just to see what it's doing, so you don't make a mess. You'll kick yourself in the ass for that one. But you'll make a mess if you don't practice. Another thing is, I always, when you pull the cap off, shake it real good. I shake it for like a minute vigorously, and just spray it once. Cause see how I used it already? I have some left over. So if I want to use this again, and this might stick. Some of them stick. Some you get lucky. Some of them don't. So just spray it real quick. And obviously, I like to use the wide tape. You get the skinny tape. You get the wide tape. The white tape, I tape around the taillights first before I put the cover and the wrap, and then then I know that it's not gonna get all around it. That's just how I like to do it. There's people that I like to do it any bunch of different ways, and so that's just a quick tip on that. Another thing is when you tape, if this is your first time, obviously for people that have taped around stuff on cars and shit like that, you'll know that if you tape around like the taillights or the headlights, whatever you're doing, you just want to go around and just see if anything lifted itself, if it was wet, if you didn't wipe inside the cracks real good, it'll lift. So what that'll do is when you spray it down, you're gonna see your edge where you missed, where this covered. So you just go with your nail and just see if you can push it in better. If this way you get the good spray around. But that's the one thing about tape. That's pretty much it that I can think of. If you have any questions, write me questions in the descriptions. Anything I can help you out, I will. If anything I can't. Today I'm going to show you guys an easy video on how to tint your taillights. This is just some of the few items you need. Obviously need that, some tape, and this bad boy here to tape around so you don't spray your whole truck. As you can see, I washed it. You don't have to wash your whole truck, I just needed to. Make sure the taillight is clean, or the headlight, whatever you're doing. Wipe it down, which I'm going to do soon. And if you can, use a Scotch Brite pad. And there's that chemical solvent that they use at body shops to take like grease and all that stuff off. So if you have that, use that too. It helps the best. I'm going to take a cloth and I'm going to wipe this down. Okay, this cloth very clean. You see, nice and white. Oh, what is this? Get it off. Wipe down your tail light. Make her nice and shiny. Very good, very good. What is this, bird poop? Get bird poop off. Nice and shiny. Very good. Do the next one. Clean, 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 clean. Make sure your cloth doesn't leave anything behind. Okay, that's ready to go. All I used was soap and water. That's it. There we go. All taped up. Ready to be painted. Just run your fingers, just run your nails under here like this. Sometimes the paint gets lifted, and then it might mess up your taping. You'll notice it when you're done. just gonna wipe it down one more time for a paint just to make sure I don't leave any smudges while I was taping. That's it. Shake the can pretty good. Alright, here's the outcome.